We have a sudden explosion of the Etna volcano. It's a minor eruption, but it is yet an eruption. This is 3,500-meter volcano. It's formed on top of a actual shield volcano. When the subduction of the Africa happens under Eurasia, this volcano is created. It's evolved now to this shape, and it had an eruption, as you know. We have at the same time some snow. So when you see the snow, what happens if you throw the snow on the lava? We have done this experiment for you, as you can see here. It doesn't melt immediately. It's hot, but because the water is actually acts when it is evaporating as a buffer, it delays a little bit. So it takes a while to actually completely melt the ice from the snow. And then it goes deep into the lava tube, as you can see now, into the lava tube, erupting and coming out somewhere else. These lava tubes can be surprising. The top of them can even collapse sometimes, so that's the reason it is dangerous to walk over the lava tubes. They are practically made of glass. This molten lava doesn't crystallize. It doesn't have the strength of a crystallized lava. It is glass. That's the reason when it is flowing, it sounds like glass, as if broken glass is being pushed. And as you can see here, we have beautiful shapes of this lava. All kind of shapes, like pahoi hoi, and which is the ropey one, and aa, which is the very rough surface. We had this minor explosion, and this reminded us that Europe also has a volcano.